Let's dive back into Python's truthiness and those tricky falsy values. Our classic example for this is the empty list. Ever wonder why a simple if item statement actually works? What's happening under the hood? Essentially, an empty list is automatically treated as false, but as soon as you add an item, for example, the letter A, the entire list is converted to true. Empty equals false. Items equal true. Simple, right? That's why this logic is so powerful. But here's the best part. You can control this behavior. Internally, Python examines every object you throw at it. It asks, does this object belong to the Boolean class? If it does, it simply returns true or false. If not, it calls a hidden method called the length method. This method lies in every class. If the length is 0, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns true. It's a built-in rule. Now, look at our custom shopping cart class. Imagine you're designing your own application. You have a cart filled with shopping items. We can actually override that hidden length function to return whatever custom value we want. We are taking full control of the default logic. Even if the cart has 0 items, we're going to force it to add 1 to the result. We want Python to think the cart is never empty. Watch how this changes the outcome. Now, when we run the code, even though it says the cart is technically empty, it's not treated as empty, just by adding that single-digit 1. That's why this code works. If we remove that line or set it back to 0, the cart is empty message returns because the length is back to 0. The cart is officially empty once again. A standard empty cart. This is exactly how Python works. It calls the length function. If length equals 0, it's false. If not, it's true. By faking the count, we completely control the truth. We just add 1, and boom, the object is evaluated as a true value. And your code executes exactly how you planned.